With the deployment of IoT devices, user voice interface plays an essential role in intelligent scenes. It provides a hands-free and eyes-free human-machine interaction between humans and devices. However, the voice-controlled device is vulnerable to ambient noise.
Open door.
Repeat back.
Hey! Open door!
Play on the floor.
Open the door!
The microphone-based speech recognition system tends to greatly reduce the recognition accuracy under long-distance and high-noise conditions. To make up for the defect of microphone, we use mmWave radars to enhance the robustness of speech recognition system. Compared with microphones, mmWave radars can support long-distance and noise-resistant sensing. Meanwhile, microphones can also supply acoustic information to mmWave radars under user motion interference. The multimodal speech recognition system would have a superior speech recognition performance under arbitrary adverse conditions.
Play music. Play music. What time is it? Open Bluetooth.